Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Big Cartel, full guide step by step clearly. To log into Big Cartel, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.bigcartel.com and press enter. Once the home page loads, look for the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email address and password. Enter the email address associated with your Big Cartel account. Next, type in your password in the designated field. If you want to stay logged in, check the box labeled Remember Me. When all fields are filled out, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Big Cartel dashboard. If you encounter issues, double-check your email and password for any mistakes. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. Once logged in, you can access your store and manage your settings. If you experience persistent login issues, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Alternatively, try using a different web browser or device. Now you are ready to explore and manage your Big Cartel account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.